So I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the dual SIM slot in the Realme 6 device, friends. And is it hybrid SIM slot, or there are three different SIM card slots for two SIM cards and one memory card? So let's check in this video, friends. And if you are watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So don't forget to like the video, friends, and also subscribe, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many videos, 946 videos. So which I'll be doing in-depth reviews of each and every phone, friends. So that's why it's necessary to subscribe to my channel, because even if you're having any queries in the future, definitely you can ask me and I'll try to do a video on that. And if you want to know more PUBG battery drain videos, so recently I created the playlist separately for the PUBG battery drain only, so where you can find more than 30 videos uploaded, friends, so which will be very interesting playlist for most of the users, and even for the YouTube drain test as well. So if you want to know more details about the playlist, do check in the description, friends. So even if you check out my channel, you can find really interesting videos, so which I uploaded recently, so which will be very helpful for you all. And let's get started, friends. The Realme 6 comes with a 2 SIM card slot and 1 micro SD card slot, friends. So that is the biggest advantage in the Realme 6 phone. So when you compare with the previous phone, which is the Realme X, so that is my last 11 months old, so which doesn't have expandable memory. So the reason why I like the Realme X2 or Realme 6 specifically, because they do actually support 512GB micro SD card, friends. So it's right, the 512GB micro SD card is also supported in the Realme 6 phone and even in the Realme X2 as well. So I did plenty of videos on that, so which is a very good thing, friends, in terms of having that as a future proof. So maybe you may not be using 512GB memory card right now, but definitely in the future, you if the prices are gonna decrease, or if there is any offer on the memory card, then definitely will buy the 512GB memory card in the future, so which will be very helpful for you all in terms of keeping the phone as a future proof. So for the next 1 year or 2 years, who knows, the price might get decreased. As you can see, friends, the memory card is actually supported here, so which is very good, an advantage, clearly you can see. And even I did same kind of 512GB memory card test in other smartphones as well, friends. And here is a dual SIM card slot, so you can use the secondary SIM to access the internet during the calls. So that is one advantage feature which is present. If you want, you can enable that. So there are other call settings here, so you can turn on the flash, so which I'll be talking in other videos, friends, tips and tricks. But overall, this is what I'm supposed to mention, that the phone actually supports the 512GB memory card and it has got 2 SIM card slot. So for more videos, subscribe to our channel, friends. Don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of PUBG battery drain. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.